Hi there guys, this is LRC31 antibacterial spray. Does exactly what it says. It stops bacteria and germs. On your leather, something like your steering wheel. Can you imagine you're driving along, coughing, hand on the steering wheel, think of all those germs you're transferring, or think of the germs that's transferred onto a hire car that you go and hire. Keeping something like this with you, we do these in very small bottles, sufficient to do a full interior, in fact, in a 100ml bottle, very handy to put in your purse or briefcase to just spray on and wipe the steering wheel or the gear stick in a hire car. Can you imagine the germs that are contained in something like that? It's a very simple process. It works on everything in and around the home as well as on all your leather items in your cars, caravans, work surfaces and stuff like that, kitchen worktops. It works everywhere. Loo seats, everything. It works on everything, does the antibacterial cleaner. So again, it's a very, very simple spray on, is the LRC31. Again, it's got a lock trigger, as you can clearly see with this little gadget here, where my finger is. Slide to the left or to the right and the trigger is open. So you can either spray directly onto the item or spray onto a cloth. I'm going to spray onto the cloth for the purpose of this video, and you would just simply wipe that over the surface of the leather like so to kill any germs and grime that you've got on there and bacteria that's growing, that can sort of cause diseases or ill health and stuff like that. You just simply wipe that over and just leave that to naturally dry on the leather surface. It literally is that simple. So the antibacterial spray can be used anywhere. You can spray it on worktop surfaces like this. I would then spray that directly onto the worktop surface and just wipe that over the surface like so, which is going to kill all sorts of bacteria and germs to avoid the germs getting into your system and harming you. But you just simply wipe that over the surface. That is how effective LRC31 is. It's a very simple to use product. Not just leather, it works on fabrics, UPVC, plastics, tiles, and everything else that you can think of, even wooden surfaces. LRC31 antibacterial spray.